This feature will be an invaluable tool in order to identify if our terrestrial TV reception system is being negatively affected by LTE links, long-term evolution. It is only available in case you are operating the meter in terrestrial band. This mobile communication standard uses a frequency band close to the bands used by terrestrial television. For this reason, it can cause interferences. The equipment has a built-in filter to reject the LTE band that can be activated with this tool. This filter can be enabled to check if the quality of the TV signal reception improves when much of the LTE band has been attenuated by the filter. With this tool, you can measure the MER of a digital terrestrial channel, presumably affected by an LTE signal, and evaluate effects of enabling the LTE filter. These filters, internal or external, cannot completely remove the LTE band signals, especially for the TV channels close to 790 MHz, around the end of the UHF band. If you are close to an LTE station with low-frequency downlink channels, a filter may not be a sufficient solution. Other options to better mitigate the LTE signals can be considered, such as a change in the location of the TV antenna or a passive shield in the way between the two antennas, the TV antenna and the LTE antenna. By long pressing the folder installation button and opening the Tools tab, we can edit the LTE filter settings. LTE filter, let us choose whether we will use the built-in LTE filter in the meter or an external one. In the latter case, LTE filter F-min and LTE filter F-max let you input the filter's minimum and maximum cutoff frequencies. Once this has been set up, we will tune one specific digital terrestrial channel affected by the LTE interference. Press F3 and activate the LTE ingress test tool. We can now check how enabling and disabling the filter affects the installation by comparing the MER measurement on the digital terrestrial channel and the LTE band total power level, which is calculated between the filter's cutoff frequencies. The internal filter operates between 776 and 876 MHz. Firstly, these measurements will be taken with the LTE filter deactivated. Pressing F4 will activate or deactivate the built-in internal filter. We are now going to activate the internal LTE filter. The LTE icon on the upper right corner of the screen means the filter is activated.